So students, today we will talk about some other topics, very important topic related to coordinate geometry and very important for the exam point of view. Okay, so some important topics we'll talk today. So first we are going to talk today, that is the distance formula. Distance formula. So this we are going to talk today. Let's say we have xy plane here. Okay, now we have 2 points. Let's say this is the point which is P and this is the point which is Q. Now the coordinates of point P are, let's say the coordinates of point P are x1 comma y1, and the coordinates of point Q are, let's say these are x2 comma y2. So these are the coordinates of point x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now we have to find the distance between PQ, means this distance we have to find out. What is this distance? In xy plane, you have been given 2 points P and Q. The coordinates of P are x1 comma y1 and the coordinates of Q are x2 comma y2. You have to find the distance between PQ, P and Q. So how much this PQ will be? Okay, this we have to find out. Now if you see, can you tell me what will be this distance? Can you tell me this distance? From here to here, what will be this distance? Yes, you can tell me. From here to here, this distance is y1. Look here. The distance of point P from x-axis. We have talked it yesterday. The distance of point P from x-axis is its y-coordinate. Are you getting this? The distance of point P from x-axis is its y-coordinate, means y1. So this distance will be y1. Similarly, what will be the distance of point Q from x-axis? Can you tell me this distance? What will be the distance of point Q from x-axis? Yes, the distance of point Q from x-axis is its y-coordinate, means this distance will be y2. Are you getting this? Now, one more thing you have to tell me. Can you tell me the distance of point P from y-axis? What will be the distance of point P from y-axis? Yes, this distance is x1. Very good. So this distance is x1 from here to here. This distance is x1. Now can you tell me the distance of point Q from y-axis from here to here? So this distance is x2. Okay, distance of any point from y-axis is its x coordinate. Remember this, distance of any point from y-axis is its x coordinate and the distance of any point from x-axis is its y coordinate. Okay, so what will be the distance of point Q from y-axis is its y coordinate, that is x coordinate, that is x2. So from here to here, this complete distance from here to here, or you can say from here to here, so this complete distance will be x2 and from here to here it is x1. Now let me join this P to this point. Let's say this is the T. Let me join PT, this PT. Okay, now can you tell me what is this PT? Can you tell me PT? What is PT? PT is this distance minus this distance. This PT is this complete distance minus this distance. So this complete distance is x2 and this distance is x1. So when you are subtracting x2 minus x1, you will get PT. So PT will be x2 minus x1. Getting or not? Now can you tell me, this is the point T. Okay, now can you tell me QT distance? What will be QT? This distance. Yes, look here, QT means this complete distance minus this distance. So what is this complete distance? This complete distance is y2 from here to here. This complete distance is y2 and this much distance is y1. So when you are subtracting y2 minus y1, you will get QT. So QT will be y2 minus y1. So now we have got PT, we have got QT. Can we find out PQ? Yes, this is a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that square of the hypotenuse is equals to the square of perpendicular plus the square of base. This is the right angle triangle, na? So now we can write here in triangle. Which one triangle is this? PQT. In triangle PQT, we can write square of PQ is equal to square of PT plus square of QT. Square of PT plus square of QT. Square of PT plus square of QT. Now, PQ square will be, what is PT? PT is x2 minus x1. So it is x2 minus x1 whole square plus QT square. QT is what? y2 minus y1 then whole square. y2 minus y1 then whole square. So if I remove the square from here, square of PQ is this. So what will be PQ? This square will become their square root. So it will become PQ will be equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is PQ. I have told you distance formula. You have to find the distance between P and Q, means PQ distance. We have got the value of PQ. So this will be the formula for finding out the distance between any 2 points. Any 2 points in a plane you take, you can find out the distance between those 2 points. PQ equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula we have got now. This formula we have to remember. Now using this formula, we will solve certain numericals. With the help of those numericals, we can find out the distance between any 2 points. Are you getting this? Very good. Now, write a question. Find the distance between 3, 5 and minus 2, 5. Find the distance between 3, 5 and minus 2, 5. Now you have to find the distance between these 2 points. Let's say this is point P. Point P is what? 3, 5. And let's say point Q is what? Minus 2, 5. You have 2 points now, P and Q. Okay. So this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, and this is y2. You can find here. This point will be x1, and this will be y1. This is x2, and this is y2. Straight away you can put the formula here. You have to find distance between these 2 points, meaning PQ distance you have to find now. So straight away we will use this formula. PQ equals to, what is the formula? And square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. What is x2 here? Minus 2. x1 is 3. Okay, are you getting this or not? Or you can write it. If you are just facing a problem here, you can write x1, y1, x2, y2 separately. Okay, let me write. X1 point is 3, y1 point is 5 here. Similarly, x2 point is minus 2 and y2 point is 5. These are the points now here. We have got the points. Now straight away we will put the formula here. Distance between PQ. So PQ distance will be how much? Yes, I am writing here. PQ will be equals to square root of, is it visible to you? Good. PQ is equal to square root of x2, formula is x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 is what here? x2 is minus 2 and x1 is 3. So minus 2 minus 3 whole square. Minus 2 minus 3 whole square. Getting na? Visible? Good. Plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is what? 5 and y1 is 5. So it will be 5 minus 5 whole square. So from here you can find out the value of PQ. Yes, what will be the value? It will be square root of minus 2 minus 3. Minus minus are added and sign is again of minus. So minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5. So square of minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 is 0. Square of 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0 and square of 0 is 0. So from here you can find out value of PQ is equals to square root of minus 5 square. Minus square is plus and square of 5 is 25. So value of PQ will be 25 and 25 is the square root of 5. So from here you can find out PQ is 5 unit. So this is the distance between PQ, 5 unit. So between these 2 points, what will be the distance between these 2 points? It will be 5 unit. Are you getting this? Yes. Distance between these 2 points will be, first point, let me write it downside. I think not visible here. It is minus 2 comma 5. Okay. Now visible, I think. Yes. So distance between these 2 points P and Q will be 5 unit. So this is how, using distance formula, we can find out the distance between 2 points. Hope you are getting this. Let's take one more example here. Let's take one more example. Okay, first you note it down. Let me erase this now. Distance formula you have to learn. Once again I am writing the distance formula here. Distance formula was PQ. This can be PQ also, AB also, whatever the points you are taking. Likewise you will take the points also here. Okay. PQ will be, distance is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So this is the formula for this. Now one more question you have to write. Find the distance between 4, 0 and 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3. Sorry. Find the distance between minus 4, 0 and 2, minus 3. So between these 2 points you have to find the distance. Let's say this is point P and this is point Q. I am going to solve it here. Point P is what? Minus 4, 0 and point Q is what? 2, minus 3. Now let's write the value of x1, y1, x2, y2. This is x1 is minus 4 and this will be y1 is 0. Similarly x2 is 2 and y2 is minus 3. Which sign you have to write? Y2 is minus 3. Now use the distance formula. PQ is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square. X2 minus x1, x2 is 2 minus x1 is minus 4. So this minus will become plus. Getting this? Plus y2 minus y1. Y2 is how much? Minus 3 minus y1 is 0. Getting this? So from here you can find out value of PQ will be equals to 2 plus 4, that is 6, square of 6, plus minus 3 minus 0, it will remain minus 3. So it will remain minus 3, square of minus 3. So from here you can find out value of PQ will be square of 6 is 36 and square of minus 3 is 9. Square of minus is plus and square of 3 is 9. So from here you can find out PQ will be equals to square root of 36 plus 9 is how much? 45. So from here you can find out PQ is how much? I think 40 is not a perfect square. You can just bifurcate it. You can factorize it. 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. From here 3 will come out, making pair. So it will be 3 under root 5. So this will be the distance between these 2 points. That is 3 under root 5 unit. Okay. So this is how we can use the distance formula for finding out the distance between any 2 points. Okay. Write it. Some other example I am giving you for your homework. Okay. Write down. Find the distance between 2 points. Some points I am giving now. Number 1. Is it visible? Yes. Minus 7, minus 3, minus 2, minus 8. number 2, 2 5 6 5, number 3, 7 0 minus 7 0, number 4, 8 5 minus 8 minus 5, number 5, 2 6 minus 7 minus 6. So these are some points which you have to practice, and you'll use the distance formula for finding out the distance between these 2 points. Is it clear? Okay then, see you in the next lecture.